Hey there, friends. Welcome to Health Savvy channel. Today we're talking about topic sleep schedules can be changed. Let's get started. Changing your sleep schedule can be necessary for various reasons, whether it's adjusting to a new job, accommodating a different time zone, or simply wanting to become an early riser. Our bodies are naturally wired to follow a circadian rhythm, a 24-hour internal clock that regulates sleep and wake cycles. Shifting this rhythm takes time and deliberate action. Step-by-step guide. 1. Gradual adjustments. The key to changing your sleep schedule is to make gradual adjustments. Start by shifting your bedtime and wake-up time by 15 to 30 minutes earlier or later each day until you reach your desired schedule. This slow change helps your body adapt without causing too much disruption. 2. Consistent routine. Consistency is crucial. Stick to the same sleep and wake times every day, even on weekends. This helps reinforce your new schedule and trains your body to follow a regular pattern. Avoid the temptation to sleep in or stay up late, as this can hinder your progress. 3. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Establish a calming pre-sleep routine to signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Activities like reading a book, taking a warm bath, or practicing relaxation techniques can help you relax and prepare for sleep. Limit exposure to light. Light exposure plays a significant role in regulating our circadian rhythm. In the evening, reduce exposure to bright lights and electronic screens, as blue light can interfere with melatonin production, the hormone that promotes sleep. Instead, opt for dim lighting and consider using blue light blocking glasses. 5. Morning light exposure. Conversely, exposing yourself to natural light in the morning can help reset your internal clock. Spend time outside or near a window soon after waking up to boost alertness and signal to your body that it's time to be awake. 6. Watch what you eat and drink. Avoid consuming caffeine, nicotine, and heavy meals close to bedtime. These substances can interfere with your ability to fall asleep and stay asleep. Opt for lighter snacks if you're hungry before bed. 7. Physical activity. Regular physical activity can promote better sleep, but try to finish exercising at least a few hours before bedtime. Exercise helps regulate the sleep-wake cycle, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up at your desired times. 8. Be patient and persistent. Changing your sleep schedule won't happen overnight. It can take several days to a few weeks for your body to fully adjust. Be patient and stay committed to your new routine. In conclusion, changing your sleep schedule is entirely possible with gradual adjustments, consistency, and healthy habits. By following these steps, you can successfully shift your sleep patterns and improve your overall well-being. Remember, quality sleep is essential for our physical and mental health, so it's worth the effort to get it right. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more interesting and helpful content. Take care and remember to fuel your body and mind with the right foods.